Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, this is your host Ahmed Malik and you're watching Zameen Facebook Live. Today is a very big day, mashallah. We saw the unveiling ceremony of one of the biggest projects yet to seen by Lahore, but not only Lahore, Punjab mein sabse badi building, sir. I have with me our respected CEO of Zameen.com,
Thank you,
Shami
Ahmed.
Khan. Sir, how are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, amazingly great. It's a major accomplishment. It's been years in the making.
Sir.
These things don't happen overnight, Ahmed, and you've been with us for such a long
Definitely.
time and you understand the drill. So I would say जितना मर्जी इसको हम cherish करें, जितना मर्जी इसको enjoy करें, वो कम होएगा because we started with Zameen Opal. वो भी अच्छे scale का project था, but not a high rise. And now from that journey to today, after doing multiple projects, I've lost the count to be honest.
Sir.
But जितने भी projects हमने किए हैं, and today now we are standing at a high rise which is more than 400 feet, the tallest building in Punjab, inshallah. And my excitement, my jubilation is at the top. And I think same is the vibe with the team. I can
Definitely.
see the sense. आज मेरी team से discussion हो रही थी. Sorry, आपके questions आते रहेंगे, but I am sharing my own sentiments
Sir.
at the moment. तो अभी जब हमने इसका opening ceremony launch वगैरह किया है, तो the team said कि sir, after all this turmoil, after all these difficult last few years, it's been an up and down economy, inflation, devaluation, all of that. They're saying कि sir हमें वो feeling आई है आज जो typically दुबई में आती है कि the market is hyped up, people are coming in, they're excited, demand is there, and we are fighting amongst each other कि किसको कौन सी unit मिलेगी और क्या बेचेगा, right?
That's
So
how it is.
alhamdulillah, I think Ahmed feeling great at the moment.
Very good, sir. Sir, just looking at the elevation of the building, it is beautiful from top to bottom.
Okay.
I mean, just take a moment to just savor this first of all.
And this is just the initial जो हमने बनाया है इसका model,
बिल्कुल,
but
sir.
obviously things are still improving,
Yes,
as I
sir.
would
Yes,
say.
sir.
Right?
So again, talking about the location of the project, we were able to score the plot in CBD, and that is one of the biggest achievements for Zameen Developments as a whole. Sir, मुझे पूरा इसका बताइएगा. What's the thought behind the project? इसके पीछे हमारी what's the planning behind the whole thing?
देखिए, I think more so than the project itself, what we need to understand, and I think for the audience as well, it becomes important, is why continue investing in real estate? I think that's a bigger question to address. And obviously, project is an outcome, right? Project जो भी आपका बनेगा, real estate के अंदर there are two types of developments that typically happen. One is horizontal, flat. अगर आप globally भी जाकर देखेंगे तो जो plots की developments होती हैं उसके अंदर people decide what they want to make and it takes time. So it's more of an investment product. I'm not against that investment. It's still a good investment product. आप उसमें अपनी liquidity inject करते हैं, supply and demand के मुताबिक होता है and आपकी price points hold कर जाते हैं. But जब आप build side पे आते हैं and the scale of this level, तो उस side पे it acts as a bigger hedge. I was just explaining to the team अभी थोड़ी देर पहले और आप सब audience को भी मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि real estate के अंदर 50% of the construction cost is hedged against all these different factors.
True.
अब उसमें volatility आए, चाहे वो inflation की वजह से आ रही हो, चाहे वो devaluation की economic factors and everything else, political factors, whatever. आपकी जो 50% cost है, वो components ने खुद से adjust करना है, चाहे वो cement है, चाहे वो आपकी steel है, then concrete and then the windows and the pipes, copper. अब लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगी copper plays a big part because all your MEP, most of it is copper.
Yep.
Coal plays a big part. आपको मुझे coal का क्या लेना देना है, right? Coal is cement.
Cement, yeah.
Right? Similarly, steel, and then आपके पे जो finished products सारे आते हैं. So I would say that real estate acts as a hedge. हम लोग हालात के मुताबिक घबरा जाते हैं जी. जो घबराने की बात होती है, which is what Zameen.com and Zameen Development's accomplishment, घबराने की बात ये होती है कि लोग यहाँ पे घबरा जाते हैं कि जी प्रोजेक्ट बनेगा नहीं बनेगा, कैश फ्लोज होंगे नहीं होंगे, sentiments. वहाँ पे if you pan the camera around and you can see कि ये प्रोजेक्ट क्यों बनेगा और आप गौर
This
से
is the
देखें,
reason.
these are not customers. अभी हमारा event start हुआ है. These are all our own sales people, and we can see the strength that we exhibit on the ground.
True.
And based on this strength, we can bring the promise that कोई और प्रोजेक्ट बने ना बने, आपको जमीन डेवलपमेंट्स का प्रोजेक्ट बनते हुए भी नजर आएगा, कंप्लीट भी
100%.
होगा और हैंड ओवर भी होगा इंशाल्लाह.
100%. So talking about Zameen Arc
Arcs,
specifically,
जी.
this is a project जो हम देख रहे हैं which will literally be the one जो लाहौर की आवाम तो at least कहेगी कि यार क्या चीज़ बनी है. So tell us about the planning of it.
Right.
इसकी थोड़ी मुझे इस बारे में
अच्छा,
बताइए.
जरूर जी. So Zameen Arcs is a 420 feet tall project. Supposedly,
Huge.
inshallah, our focus will be that it remains the tallest in Lahore. और इसके अंदर द मिक्स इन्वेंट्री, एवरीथिंग इज देयर.
Yes.
So name it, you have it, right? From commercial shops to a food court, then we can come to service apartments and offices. We also have restaurants at the top. And inshallah वो जो मैं top का view है, हमने drone से footage ली है. It's remarkable, it's amazing. Sometimes you wonder कि ऊपर जाके आप लाहौर को देखते हैं, आप कहते हैं लाहौर इतना खूबसूरत है. You know, it's green and it's all, it's amazing. So it has everything, very optimized, uniquely designed. Everything has been looked into very deeply. We spend a lot of time in terms of making sure that everything comes forth as what we are projecting. हमारी खास बात है कि जो हम बनाते हैं, जो हम दिखाते हैं, वही बनाते हैं.
Definitely.
Right? So inshallah, I think I'm looking forward to it. And Zameen Arcs Arcs itself is a name which signifies citadel, fortress. So in the center of the city, we are building this fortress so that we can actually give you the kind of living where you feel protected, where you feel safe, where you feel that you're in good hands, inshallah.
Perfect. Sir, any last words for people who have invested in Zameen development projects, especially after the possession of Zameen Aurum, Zameen Opal ki delivery ke baad? We're going towards Zameen Quadrangle. We have Zameen Phoenix, Jade, all of these projects, and then one of the biggest icons of Lahore. So any last words for people who are on the edge of investment ke wo haan Zameen development project mein invest kare, na kare? What would you say to them?
जी अहमद, I think good question, right? I tried to address this before as well, but आप सबको मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि सोचे मत, क्योंकि जो सोचने वाले होते हैं वो सोचते रहते हैं, जो करने वाले होते हैं वो कहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं.
True.
I can tell you easily that this construction of this project, अगर हम उसको भी थोड़ा सा address करें, तो it's going to take 4 to 5 years. Now, sitting at home, you can easily run your numbers and figure out okay, what kind of returns you are playing with. If nothing else, you know, ये मैं आपको अपने confidence और guarantee के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि आप 50% plus gain तो आंखें बंद करके देख रहे हैं इसमें. By virtue of the way the economy moves, by virtue of the way real estate moves, real estate की जो supply and demand है, उसमें इतना बड़ा gap है कि उसको अगर हम एड्रेस करने बैठे हैं तो शायद अगले 15-20 साल में भी वो 50% भी एड्रेस नहीं हो सकती. सो बेस्ड ऑन जस्ट फंडामेंटल्स, और मेरा हमेशा से फोकस है कि आप लोग जब भी किसी चीज़ को स्टडी करें, rather than just listening to the sentiments or whatever people are feeding in your ears, you should focus on the fundamentals. And the fundamentals in real estate have never changed since human beings came to this planet. It's a necessity. It's in the center of the city. एक बात होती थी हमेशा से जी कि लाहौर में आपका हर मुल्क में जाते हैं जी कि वो सिटी सेंटर किधर है, आपकी वो हाई स्ट्रीट किधर है. अब मैं आपको गारंटी के साथ कह सकता हूँ, एंड आई यूज्ड टू क्वेश्चन दिस एज वेल, कि अच्छा ये गुलबर्ग सिटी सेंटर है भी कि नहीं. सिटी सेंटर गुलबर्ग है, फिर DHA है, फिर मॉडल टाउन है, फिर उस साइड पे बहरिया है. व्हाट इज द सिटी सेंटर ऑफ लाहौर? और लाहौर इज माशाल्लाह 1700 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स, इज मैसिव एंड स्टिल एक्सपैंडिंग. लेकिन मैं आपको आज गारंटी के साथ कहता हूँ, व्हाटएवर CBD इज डूइंग, this is going to be the future city center of Lahore.
No question about
And this is, inshallah, ये भी मैं commitment के साथ कहता हूँ कि you would see this is going to be, Zameen Arcs is going to be one of the first projects that you would see coming up.
Inshallah.
So do you want to be part of that journey where you would remember in time that I was there when it was happening, not when it had already happened? So looking forward to, आए देखें यहाँ पे आज event है और हमारे events होते रहते हैं, आप लोग आएँ इंटरैक्ट करें. आई ऑलवेज से दिस, बट आप लोग आते नहीं है. निकलें घर बैठ के, सिर्फ मेरी तकरीर सुनने से कुछ नहीं होएगा, बाहर आएँ, आके मिलें, लोगों को देखें, एंड यू वुड गेट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. और हमारा फोकस होता है कि वी आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू सेल यू द प्रोजेक्ट, वी आर ट्राइंग टू सेल यू द फ्यूचर. सो व्हाट क्वेश्चंस डू यू हैव फॉर योर फ्यूचर, वी आर हियर टू आंसर देम. कम ओवर, आस्क अस, एंड इंशाल्लाह आई थिंक यू बी हैप्पी टू हियर आवर रिप्लाईज.
सर, प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू. एंड जिस आपको इनवाइट किया जिशान साहब ने, बी पार्ट ऑफ द हिस्ट्री. अगर आप इसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, यू विल बी पार्ट ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ लाहौर एंड पंजाब.
आई थिंक एक सवाल आप लोग सब अहमद को देखते रहते हैं, राइट, हमेशा. सो अहमद, अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू एज वेल. व्हाट आर योर सेंटिमेंट्स?
Sir, I think any project that is brought in by Zameen Developments, it's something to look at. I mean, one of my favorite projects would be Zameen Phoenix. Beautiful design, just the look of it, amazing. इसको भी देखते ही it feels like it's not something जो आप normally पाकिस्तान में देखते हैं. दुबई की फील्स आती हैं, US की फील्स आती हैं. Vibes, actually it's just amazing to see कि क्या चीज़ें पाकिस्तान में आ रही हैं.
और दूसरी चीज़ है, मैं अहमद की I meet a lot of people, and this is for the audience, आप लोग भी देखते होंगे. Ahmed, I really appreciate your hard work,
Sir.
your energy. जितनी एनर्जी आप में है, कभी कभी मैं एनवी होता हूँ यार कि ये इतनी एनर्जी लाता कहाँ से है. So keep it up, and I think this is the same level of energy that we see across our teams.
Definitely.
So taking this opportunity, I would like to thank all my teams for putting in hard work and effort. And such kind of projects are not done overnight. I think जितनी मेहनत इसमें जाती है from our marketing, design, production, putting this event together, making sure that we have the right vibe, our sales teams and all of that. So my gratitude to all of you guys.
Sir.
Keep it up. Proud of all of you guys, and inshallah, be it what it ever it is in the market, difficult, easy, hardships and all that, we are standing our ground, and we'll make sure that we remain at the forefront of real estate in Pakistan.
Inshallah.
Thank you. And this is a message for audience otherwise than real estate. This is our country. This is where we belong. This is where we should put in our sweat and effort to make sure that we can produce a stronger and better Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.